It is time to make my cornbread and chili pie. Guess where? In the air fryer. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. In a bowl, you'll pour out your stag chili, kidney beans, diced bell peppers, a little sprinkle of black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, Rotel mild diced tomatoes, minced garlic, and tomato sauce, and mix. There you have it. Now inside of a small square pan, I am going to put my chili mix in there. Cover it with foil, put it inside of the air fryer. I ain't no liar. Cutting up tomatoes, fruits and vegetables, and potatoes. Alright, now it is time to make my cornbread. I'll be using Jiffy Mix, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, my liquid gold, I can't believe it's not butter, a little sugar and black pepper, and mix. So something simple. There you have it. Once your chili is done, you're going to take it out of the air fryer, mix it up, loosen up that mixture. Look at that. Don't it look good? Now I'm just going to layer the top with cornbread mix. In the air fryer it go. Guess what? It's done. Let's see what it look like. I hope it's as sexy as this background music. Let me get into it. What's your fate? That looks delicious on my plate. Chili and cornbread in one dish in your air fryer. And it was fire. Tastes so good. Cornbread and chili pie made in my Ninja air fryer.